Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Binance application from your iPhone. If you're done using your Binance application since you've recently deleted your account on Binance, then you might want to get rid of your account from your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to uninstall Binance app from your iPhone, flip through your app drawer and spot the Binance app. First hold the application for some time and you'll be able to see a pop-up tap on Remove App in order to delete your application. Now you have two options. Either you can delete the app or remove it from the home screen. If you want the app to be found somewhere in your phone, not completely remove the app from your iPhone, then you can choose to remove from home screen. But if you'd like to delete your application entirely from the device, tap on Delete App. Now in the pop-up, tap Delete to confirm your selection. And as you can see that the application has been removed from the app drawer. That is how you'll be able to get rid of an application you no longer need on your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.